Hello. I thought I would go ahead and make the Sleeping Stone of Aatucagg. Today's Christmas Eve, and I've got nothing to do. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, well, before I get into the details, I thought I'd go over a quick list of what we'll need. First off, we'll want to get a printout of a golden spiral and something to make your sleeping stone with. I chose some Sculpey clay. You can use any earthen material, but I decided what the heck, I'll get some Sculpey clay. Some stones or crystals of the sun, anything that has the intrinsic values of the sun or properties of consciousness or light. What I have here are some citron stone, some silvery material. What I got here is glue with some silvery stuff in it, a pen or a pencil, some gloves, keep the clay off your hands if you're using Sculpey clay, schmuck, a micrometer mask with an attached air hose, and a glass of milk. Well, here I am. I'm ready to go. So let's go ahead and get started. One other thing, you want to make sure that you have an air supply. All right?
Luke, I am your father.
All right, let's get started. Well, first, let's go ahead and knead the clay. I'll take it out of here. Yeah, I better put something on this table. Okay, I'm kneading the clay. This could take a while. Alright, well, I kneaded the clay. And now I'm going to lay it down on the outline of the golden spiral. And I want to lay it down about a 1/4 inch thick because it takes about 15 minutes to bake it at 130 degrees for every 1/4 inch of thickness. I'll just start doing that. Okay, so I've laid it down on here in the shape of a golden spiral. Now I'll go ahead, and it's about a 1/4 inch thick. Go ahead and lift it up, and I'll do a little repair work, and then I'll be done with this part. Okay, I've got the repair work done. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my clay and lay this on top of it as a template. Then take my pen or pencil, whichever one you want, and I poke holes out around this golden spiral shape. And then after I do that, I can fill it in, make a groove into my clay that follows the shape of the golden spiral. So I'll go ahead and start doing that right now. Okay, so I've got the spiral carved into there. You can see that. Now what you do is you take your silver glue and just run it into this groove here. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Actually, I should have waited. I should have baked this first and then put the glue in. Oh well, we'll see what happens. Okay, before we put this into the oven, I'm going to go ahead and get a citron out of here. Pick out a nice yellow one. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice one. Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice stone right there, yeah. And you poke it in there. And hopefully it stays.